Hey everybody, it's Neil. We are in the workshop and we have this hydraulic crimping tool. I'm going to show you guys what it is here. Oops, it's kind of going to be hard for me to open. Now it'll be easy for me to open. Comes in a box, so that's kind of nice, so we don't have to store it in this package anymore. And there it is. So this is going to be it here. Comes with some of the little gaskets that we might need. Comes with all the different little pieces for the different stuff that we're going to be crimping. So I guess it's all the different size little bits of things that we want to crimp, and then it comes with a crimper. So I'm going to set it up and I'm going to show you it in action. Okay, so here we go. So it came with this one here, which is a very small crimping one in there, but I'm going to go ahead and use this one here because this is what's going to fit my particular need. So you put these on as such. This one here says it's 35, whatever that means. And then I got my wire and I put my wire through my little piece that I'm crimping. You see, it's just uncrimped at the moment. And then I will squeeze this, and it goes a little bit at a time because it's putting so much. I have work and reset. I was on reset. I have to go back to work mode so it actually starts crimping it. And we get it going up to about there. Oh, there we go. Now I can start getting to the work mode. Okay, so here we are. So now we're at the part where it's going to start smushing it, and I just go, and it's got so much power. It just crimps the heck out of it. And there we go. So now it's done. Now I can hit reset, and it has squished the little piece. Actually, I probably need to go a little smaller. So it started squishing it, but now I got to probably go and adjust it again and put a smaller one in there to finish crimping it. So let me go ahead and go one down. Sometimes it's a two-part effort because what you're crimping just might not go. So I go back to work. And here we go. This one's going to totally smush it now. Not too hard to push, but that's totally. But now I can see it's totally smushed those wires. There we go. And then back to reset. And now get this here. It's made a total squish on the sides of it. That wire is not going anywhere ever. So very cool. Neat little setup here. So if you need a crimping tool, hydraulic crimping tool, this one here's got lots and lots of power. So totally cool. Thumbs up.